Welcome to watch the video tutorial brought to you by QNAP. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the QNAP Turbo NAS for the first time. We'll use the 1-bay TS119 Turbo NAS as an example and demonstrate how to install the server in Windows OS. To begin with, connect your PC and the NAS on the same router on the local network. Connect the power cord to the NAS and to the power supply. Then, press the power button to turn on the NAS. The server beep once. Wait for a while until there is another long beep. The long beep indicates that the NAS has been started up successfully. Now, take out the CD-ROM in the product package and run it into your Windows PC. A window will be open. Click on your NAS model. Next, click Install QNAP Finder. It is a powerful utility which helps you find the NAS on the subnet and configure the basic settings of the NAS server. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Finder. When finished, the utility shows up immediately. The Finder detects all the QNAP NAS on the same subnet. If your NAS has never been configured before, the Finder will prompt you to finish the configuration. Click Yes to continue. Enter the username and password. The default administrator name and password are admin, A-D-M-I-N, in small letters. Enter the NAS name as you like. Then change the administrator password or select to use the default password. Next, select the time zone and set the date and time of the server. Select the file name encoding for your operating system. You can enter the fixed IP for the NAS or choose to obtain an IP automatically by DHCP. For the first time installation, you have to format the hard drive installed on the NAS. In this example, the NAS is formatted as a single disk volume. If your NAS supports more than one drive, you will be able to choose other disk configuration. After that, select the system firmware to install on the NAS. The firmware file is available on the CD-ROM. You may also download the latest firmware from the QNAP website. Go to www.qnap.com, click Downloads, select your NAS from the Model Name drop-down menu, then click Firmware on the top. The latest firmware is listed on the page. Find the firmware you want to download and click Save. You may save the file on your local PC. When you have finished downloading the file, remember to unzip the file. Now, let's continue the installation. Specify the location of the firmware file. Click Next to continue. A summary of the settings you have just configured will be shown. Confirm the changes and click Next to start the initialization. The process may take tens of minutes to finish, depending on the hard disk. When finished, you can map the folder on the NAS as network share on Windows. Select a network share and click Map Network Drive. Enter the username and password. Click Finish. Now you've finished the system configuration. You can start to use the NAS. To access the file stored on the NAS, go to My Network Places or Network. The device icon on the NAS will show up. Double-click to enter any one of the network share folders. Now you can access your Turbo NAS by Samba, which is a convenient way for file sharing provided by the NAS. To find your NAS on the local network, run QNAP Finder. If the server is not shown, click Refresh and try again. Double-click on the name of the NAS on the Finder. A web browser opens automatically. Here we go. This is the main page of QNAP Turbo NAS with firmware 3.0. Administration allows you to configure all the setup options of the NAS. Enter your username and password to log in. The home page lists the Turbo Station wizards, which help you complete some configuration in a few steps. You can also find the latest QNAP news on this page. In the overview, the shortcut of all the system settings are shown. You can browse the item in each category and click the icon to access the configuration page. Multimedia Station enables you to share the photo, music, and video with your friend and family. Download Station lets you download FTP, HTTP, and BT resources independent of a PC. Web File Manager provides you a web-based interface to manage and access your file and folders on the NAS. Customer Service shows you the contact information of QNAP customer support. QNAP Wiki links to QNAPedia, which offers abundant technical references about QNAP products. QNAP Forum connects to the QNAP Community Forum. For more information, go to www.qnap.com.